Hey there, it's Huang. I'm an occupational therapist and certified hand therapist, and someone sent me a message and was like, hey, I've only been working in outpatient for a year and a half. And my hands are killing me. How do you save your hands? Well, one of the best things I could tell you is if your hands are hurting, you're doing manual therapy wrong. And I'm not trying to be mean, but if you look at this video, I'm working with a really stiff hand. So think about where your hand placements are and think about like how you could use different things to help you manage a stiff hand better. So here in this example, I'm just placing it on the table because the hand is like, it won't fully extend, but it won't fully close. So you want to try to make that hand flat as possible. So instead of working like this and using a lot of fingers, you want to try and use the table to kind of give you some force. Now, the other thing I want you to pay attention to is how I might be using my whole hand to stretch. I'm using all of my fingers to move and to stretch this really stiff hand. So there's a lot of things to think about, but I would encourage you, if your hands are hurting, to consider developing your manual therapy skills, because there's a lot of different techniques, but also body mechanics that you can take into account to help you.